Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson is over writing and solving systems of equations. Remember, when we write a system, we're writing two equations. Our example today is a word problem, so let me read that. A school play sold a total of 105 adult and children tickets. I'm going to stop right there. I have a total of 105 tickets that I'm going to circle. I'm going to circle totals, underline important information. So they sold a total of 105 adult and children tickets and made a total of $675. Again, I'm going to circle that because that is a total. Adult tickets cost $7. That is not a total, however, it is important, so I'm going to underline. Adult tickets cost $7. Children tickets cost $5. Again, that's important information. So I'm going to underline it. Then the question asks, how many children tickets were sold? So let's go ahead and write our equations and then we can actually solve this. So remember, when I have totals, those are what our two equations are going to be equal to. So one is going to be equal to 105, one is going to be equal to 675. Our first equation is talking about tickets. Our second equation is talking about money. So we need to keep that in mind as we are creating our equations. So, looking at our important information, it says adult tickets cost $7 and children tickets cost $5. Well, the 7 and the 5 are money values, so those are going to go in my second equation here. Adult tickets for $7, so I'm going to define my variables. I have adult tickets, I'm going to call A. I also have children tickets, I'm going to call C. So again, this $5 and $7 I need to put in my second equation there. So adult tickets cost $7, that's going to be 7 times A for adult, plus, because I have a total, I am adding. Children tickets cost $5, so it's going to be 5, and I called children tickets C. So that's my one equation. To finish up my first equation, I have a total number of tickets. Well, the types of tickets I have are adult, which we call A, plus children, which we call C. So those are my two equations. Now, when we go to the next board, we're going to solve. Remember, it says how many children tickets were sold. So we only have to figure out how many children tickets were sold. And these should be C's for children. So when I'm looking for how many children tickets were sold, that means I want to solve for C. So I need to get rid of the A. And these two equations are perfectly set up for elimination. So I'm going to use elimination to solve. Again, I'm trying to find C, so I'm going to get rid of A. In order to cancel out the A's here, I need the top equation to be multiplied by -7. That will cancel out with my +7 down here. So I'm going to multiply everything by -7. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply all that out in the first equation. -7 times A is -7A. -7 times C is -7C. Bring my equal sign down. -7 times 105 is -735. I'm going to cross out this top equation so I don't confuse myself, and then we will combine these two equations. We'll add them together. So just like I wanted my 7a and negative 7a are going to zero out. I don't want an a. Then I'm going to add down here. 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2c. Bring my equal sign down, and I'm going to add 675 plus negative 735, and I get negative 60. To get c by itself, all I need to do is divide both sides by negative 2, and I get my answer. There are 30 children tickets that were sold. Thank you for watching, and for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.